Hey guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you a nice trick and idea to make money online using AI. So stick with me in this video step by step. And firstly and foremost, just you can go to Google and look for anything you want to take as a reference for the further steps. For example, I can type here 3D bag. So I can find here plenty of these images and these 3D illustrations of these amazing bags. So I can pick one of them as an example. Then the second step, I can go to Gemini Google and just set this thinking feature. It's a must step here. Then I can upload this image, upload files, and I picked this vibrant amazing bag. And then I can type this awesome prompt, just a simple one, like give me the JSON prompt template and the same style of this illustration. Okay, that's it. Then go. And here, just a matter of seconds, Gemini Google gives you this template to generate this such amazing illustration with the same style, lighting, positioning as you see. So like this one as you observe. Perfect. Okay, so I can take this whole code here and just I can go to open a new chat here on Gemini, and here I can paste this one and choose from these tools create images or nano banana, and here I can actually just change this subject to anything else, like I can make it, for example, 3D bottle of water or a glass or a bag, travel bag, or anything else. So it comes to my mind right now, this bottle of water. Okay, and just you can go, and just in few seconds here this Nano Pen Pro gives me this amazing image of this bottle in the same style and rendered in the same lighting, in the same vibe of the original and reference image, that is the 3D bag. Okay, just we can see this amazing output as you see. Amazing result here from Gemini.Google. So here you can find the same style and the same colors here, the same lighting, the same positioning in your reference image in the first place. That is a 3D bag. And here you can repeat this amazing process over and over again to create different graphics or different amazing images in the same style and the same vibe of your reference image. So here you can apply this amazing mechanism in every field you are working in and you are thinking of. And here we can actually just shed the lights on the importance of brand and the same identity of your business on social media and every single field. So if you are working on social media, just you can make your brand the same in every single post or in LinkedIn post and something like that. The same style, the same colors, the same font as you want, so people are recognizing you even from the first sight. So here actually can use this amazing trick to make your consistent branding here for your own images, products, YouTube thumbnails, e-commerce products, or anything else. Especially here you can provide this amazing service on Fiverr.com to target Shopify sellers or Amazon FBA. They need many of these consistent images or shots of their products without reshoots, because for sure most of these images or product images out there are fake because they are not consistent. So here you can find this amazing trick to create consistent images here in the same brand style of any buyer or any influencer. So for example, I can give you some examples here if you are working on fashion industry or print on demand. So for example, I can take this mockup as a reference for my trick and the prompt JSON template for the same style of this mockup. Then gives me this amazing prompt here as you see. So simply can change a little bit the dynamic texts. Like for example, here you can change this the color of this t-shirt and with this text. So you can keep the same man, the same style, the same lighting, the same positioning, the same brand of your mockups or your brand, just with it changing the text of or the slogan of your t-shirt design or the color to make it gray, yellow, or something else, okay, as you see. And of course it gives me this awesome consistent results here, like as you see. I just changed the t-shirt color from red to blue, and it changed the text from this one to Riemann text, as you see. Of course, for example, this image as well, if you are providing your service on Fiverr.com to create consistent branding images here, so you can target, as I said earlier, your Shopify sellers or Amazon FBA or any Amazon affiliates and so on. They need to show off the beauty of their products with the same style. So here I can try it here on Gemini.google. I just upload here this image to give me back this prompt as usual. As you see here, you can find this amazing prompt to change to another type or different lens of your camera, and it gives me the same style as you see, with this mirroring and this lighting, so on, without reshooting pictures or images as you see, as you want. So in the first place, you can ask for getting the prompt template in JSON style here to keep all these features of this image and this subject as they are in every single generation you do, okay? So you can provide this amazing service here on Fiverr.com or Upwork or any platform else. For sure you can announce this service on social media, like on Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and so on. So you can find many people are looking for you to make consistent images of their products here for e-commerce products or something, to make your consistent style and their branding. For sure you can apply this one if you're interested in different YouTube thumbnails, so you can make a screenshot of them. You can get these ideas from Pinterest.com, from anywhere else, and keep the same styles and by getting the same prompt in JSON format. And for sure you can just change the person, if you upload the person of your client, of yourself for example, and just change the text here in the upper one, the premium, and the secondary text, and so on. So the same trick here, the same way you can build your brand identity, the same brand here in your business. That way you can make money online just from this simple and a little and smart trick using AI, Nano, and Gemini.google. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.